you ready to transform your career and master Excel? Join us for the ultimate 8-day journey, where we will take you from a beginner to an expert level. Step by step. In week 1, you will dive into the essentials, learn how to navigate Excel like a pro, master basic formulas, and create your first chart. And the best part, the first week is completely free. Then it's time to level up. Week 2 is all about intermediate skills. Unlock the power of advanced formulas, functions, and data analysis tools like pivot tables and what-if analysis. In week 3, we go even further. Manage complex data, create stunning charts, and start building your own interactive Excel dashboards. Finally, in week 4, you will enter the world of expert Excel techniques. Automate your tasks with macros, learn the basics of VBA, and protect your workbooks with advanced security features. By the end of this course, you will have all the tools you need to create comprehensive Excel workbooks, optimize your workflow, and stand out in your field. Don't miss this chance. Start your journey to Excel mastery today. Sign up now and transform your Excel skills from zero to hero in just 8 days.